people are proud of what he did. He was a fantastic fighter, and I'm sure his wife and his kids and his mum and dad will always be proud of him. He needs to be proud of himself, and that should be the reason why he does it.
Leroy, spoken like a man who'd like to get back into the game himself. I'm not going to pressurise you into it. I'm just going to make you stick to the point that perhaps one Saturday or Sunday you'll join us in the Sports World studios with those shorts, those socks on, and perhaps we'll have a kickabout, and no doubt I'll fail miserably. Leroy, thank you for your support, for your comments and your opinions today on Sports World. Have your say. Leroy Rosenior, a couple of your Facebook messages on the subject of comebacks. Enoch in Malawi says, I feel for Schumacher, he's just lost his respect to the young lads. Walker in Zambia says, depends on the type of sports. Most NBA players retire at 40, I think, but I believe you can play golf even at 50. Some of the greatest.
در ساعات مختلف روز پخش می‌شوند.